guys, welcome back to the channel. Alex here. I know I haven't posted for a while, but I want to try something a little different. Today we're going to do a series on reloading. This is going to be my first endeavor on reloading ammunition. I've been thinking about it for a few years, and I'd like to get into shooting more, but I just never have enough money to buy ammo. So hopefully this will at least let me shoot more. Probably won't save any money, but this will definitely let you shoot more. So I've been collecting a little bit of brass. Mainly I'm going to be reloading 38 Special, 45 Schofield, which is a harder round to find anyway. And I might endeavor in some 5.56 or 2.23. So we're going to get right into it. In this episode, we're just going to get this table figured out. This table was here when we bought the house, and it's always been full of junk, and I thought this would be great for reloading. Sorry about the noise in advance. It's the middle of November up in Vermont, and it's super cold, so we're going to have to deal with that. I'm sorry. So first of all, I'm going to show you how filthy this table is and why I'm going to cover it with some leather. So that's all like a sawdust or something. Just wiping it down gets this residue on here. So this is like a cardboard material that they use instead of plywood. So first thing I'm going to do is cover it. So the materials you're going to need is I went to Walmart, got myself some pleather, and I'm going to staple it down. And you probably need a knife or scissors. Well, actually, first thing you should do is level the table, make sure it's level. I know that's the level because I leveled it beforehand, but I'm going to lay out this. Okay guys, so here you can see I've got the leather kind of smoothed out on the table. Trying to line the seam up just because it'll take a little while to get that seam out. But what I'm going to do now is I'm probably going to slit the corners a little so I can fold those over okay, or I might not even have to slit them, but I will have to trim off the excess here. And I'm going to put some staples in it to hold it down. I'm going to recommend you just staple on the outside, kind of leave the top a nice smooth work surface. And now, you might have used one of these before, you might not have, but one of these, all you got to do is hammer it down and it should put a staple in. If it's still up a little, you just hammer it in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now. I need a Band-Aid. Good. Okay, so had to go get a knife, guys. Forgot to get that. Had to repair my finger. Don't do what I did. Anyway, so I'm gonna get right back into it. Okay, so now that I got the first corner done and the first edge, I'm actually going to cut this leather to a more manageable size, and then I'm going to fold the leather in so it makes a nice seam line, if you will. And here's my excess. Might be able to put it on there, but that's gonna probably get covered up with crap anyway, so maybe I will put it on there. Better not. Make it simple. So I'll do it over here to kind of show what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just fold this over. That way I don't have the hard edge. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go every hammer's length and put a staple through here just to conserve some staples because I'm a little low. And it's like 7 o'clock at night. And I might go over this a little later. Yeah, I'll probably need another one in there, so. Okay, so we kind of have one edge, or two edges I guess, done now. But I can tell, that's good. And you can do the back edge. I might not really worry about it other than just tacking it down. I don't think I'm going to do anything fancy on the sides like that. But especially since I won't be able to get to half of it. All the mess on the other side here. But take this time now to make sure that your leather's kind of straight where you want it. And I'm going to go around to the other side and hit up the other side. So there you have it. That's kind of the table at a good position now that I'm comfortable with. This is a lot better material to work on than I had before. It's going to be a little easier probably to pick up any spilled powder or just keep track of things than on the deteriorating cardboard. I probably used about 20 to 40 staples to just do this job. I didn't do this corner because I didn't get enough. I got 2 yards right here. Needed just a little more than 2, but pretty happy with it. I might just run along here and touch this up some more, or maybe not. I'm thinking about putting the press around here, so I might make sure that's a little tighter. But other than that, that kind of covers part 1. We made the bench a little better to work on. Next part, we're going to build a seating area, because I'm sure I won't want to be standing to reload all that ammo, thousands of rounds. So for right now, that kind of covers it. See you in the next one.